Oh, wait, before we begin, I should probably run the tutorial program. Would you like me to run the tutorial program? Yes, I am indeedly thinking that I should be running the tutorial program. I am a rather complicated system. Ooh, is that a yes? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Now, before I run the tutorial program, I am programmed to ask your patience as we deliver a word from one of our Holo-Net sponsors.
Are you tired of preparing your house's waterproofing every single time the mass rains come? Are you tired of taking your waterproofing down after each incident? Well, now you can put those concerns aside and invite Drycore into your home and into your life. Our automated system will automatically provide state-of-the-art air sealing to your windows, doors and any materials vulnerable to the corrosive touch of our synthetic enemy's corrosive rainwater. Drycore's system keeps the rainwater out without you needing to lift a muscle. The fight against synthetics has never been easier, thanks to Drycore.
Hello, new user! Thank you for activating me! We are going to have so much fun together! My name is F.H.I.D.G.D, pronounced fidget. I am the friendly Holo-Net integrated digital guided device. But again, I like very much to be called fidget. Why? Because it's cute and fun! And who doesn't want to have lots of fun? Whoop whoop! It would be very awkward to keep calling you new user, I think. So, how about you introduce yourself to me? What is your name, stranger? Aria Moon. What a wonderful name. Would you like to learn facts about your name, Aria Moon? Fact 1. It is a beautiful, wonderful name. Go you! Anytime you want to learn a new fact about your name, I will be very happy to oblige. The Holo-Net is an online network linked to the minds of the many humans living in Harmony City. Access comes from a device known as a receiver, which is implanted into the brain of all the users. Clones are giving these devices free of charge. That's how you are hearing my voice right now. I am speaking to you inside your mind brain. What's that? Oh, mind brain is just, it's not an official term. I just really like to say mind brain. It's funny and dramatic. Everyone who uses the Holo-Net is a part of a shared mentality connected called Mind Waver. It unites us all. The Mind Waver would be a totally unfiltered thought and mental space of every connected user. Trying to shift through and navigate that presents 2 problems. Problem 1 is that it would be so impossible. There is just so much information, and people's thoughts are constantly updating into the stream. And even if you could navigate the Mind Waver, it would be such a violation of personal privacy. Like, hello. So, while the Mind Waver provides the basic system and foundation for connecting users, the Holo-Net was built as a system that you can actually navigate. That is where I come in. I am the artificial intelligence activating in millions of minds all at the same time, helping every user navigate the Holo-Net, and I'm making sure that nobody is breaking the rules and tries to enter the Mind Waver. Pardon, what is the question? Yes. You can do practically anything you want with the Holo-Net. Anyone can set up a net site as long as it isn't illegal. They can put whatever they want on it. If they try putting anything illegal, then I can contact the Harmony Police Department immediately. It is very useful for maintaining the peace in this troublesome times. Oof, though. Speaking of the police, I do believe it's time for another word from our Holo-Net sponsors. I love these, they are so much fun.
Hey buddy, you ready to earn big? I hope so. Cause that's what the Green App is all about, earning green. Our app can be downloaded via the Holo-Net and gives you access to jobs that deliver the kind of payday you deserve, assuming you're not scared of breaking a few laws. And the best part? The Fidget AI is 100% blind to it. Get that cheerful idiot to download the Green App now and start making some real money.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, so what would you like to begin with? Oh, wait. You don't have to say anything. You can just think it, and I will be able to hear it. Huh? Well, yes, I can hear all your thoughts. No. It's not an invasion of privacy. That's exactly the thing I was created to prevent. Everything you think, provided it isn't breaking the law, is kept secret. My programming wouldn't allow me to share it without your express permission, of course. I'm not sure I understand why you feel that even me knowing still counts. I'm not a person, or human, or clone, or anything alive. Not really. Like I said, I'm not alive. I'm a fidget. You should feel comfortable being able to tell me anything or think anything with me around. Like, I'm not gonna do anything. As long as it's not illegal. That's okay. I understand. You will come around eventually. Basically, everyone else does. Now, what can I do for you? Wait, let me guess. Scan. Ooh. I can feel the current state of your body. My, no, you're exhausted. Poor little thing. You need to go sleep right now, Missy. No, I said sleep. Don't make me shut off your cognition for your own good. Ah, that's a joke. That's not a thing I can do. Or is it? Ah! No, you will never know. It's a super spooky secret. Now, go lie in bed. It looks really comfy. I wish I could lay in it. And I will play you some nice, calming, relaxing music to lullaby you to sleep. But first, a word from our Holo-Net sponsors, Mr. Silverstone.
Good evening, Harmony City. I have been told that a new batch of 25 clones were removed from their tanks today and brought to join our fair city. For those uninitiated clones, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Michael Silverstone, and I am the President and CEO of the Silverstone Corporation.